Hello my dear students, I warmly welcome you to SIA's digital classes. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about one of the important problem from the permutation. Okay, this is the another type problem. In the examination, this type of problems will get oftenly. Okay, so see what is the problem first of all. If sigma belongs to S suffix 6 and sigma is given in this format, then we have to find out the sigma power 2014. Okay, so he is asking sigma power 2014. In the examination, you will get sigma power 2012, sigma power 2020. Okay, sigma power 2020, 22. Okay, in this format, you will get any number on the power of the sigma. Then, what is the process to do this type of permutation problems? First of all, sigma is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 1, 4, 5, 6, 2. That is the given sigma value. Okay, to get the sigma power 2014, so first of all, gradually we have to apply the powers of sigma. Sigma square, sigma cube, sigma power 4, sigma power 5 up to so on. Okay, so first of all I am writing that sigma square. Sigma square is equal to sigma into sigma. Already you know sigma value and I am writing here another sigma value. And you know very well the multiplication of the permutation from the right to left. Right permutation to left permutation and moving to top to bottom. So that is the process. So here 1 to 3, 3 to 4. So therefore this is the sigma square value. Next sigma cube. Sigma cube is nothing but sigma square into sigma. Okay. So this is the total sigma square value and this is the sigma value. If you do the multiplication from right to left, you will get sigma cube. Next sigma power 4. Sigma cube into sigma. This is the sigma cube value and this one is the sigma value. So if you do the same process from right to left, you will get that sigma power 4. Okay, if you observe carefully, here sigma square, sigma cube and sigma power 4 are the different permutations. We are not getting the identity permutation. We have to continue this process until we get the identity permutation. Okay, for the which power of the sigma, if you get the identity permutation, then you have to stop the process there only. Until you get the identity permutation, you have to do the same process. Here sigma square, sigma cube, sigma power 4 and sigma power 5 also we did not get the identity permutation. Next we are going to sigma power 6. Sigma power 6 is nothing but here sigma power 5 into sigma. Okay, so if you do the process multiplication, okay, from the right to left, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the first row you can write trivially and the next image value 1, 2, 3. Okay, so and this 3 to 1, therefore 1 to 1 is the first column value. Next here 2 to 1 and here 1 to 2. So therefore 2 goes to 2. This 2 goes to this 2 value. Okay. So next 3. 3 to 4 and here 4 to 3. So 3 is the value. Next 4 to 4, 5 to 5, 6 to 6 are the images values of the pre-images 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you observe carefully, the first row and the second row of the permutation are same. So then you will call it as a identity permutation, that is denoted by capital I. At the power of 6 we got identity permutation. So therefore sigma power 6 is equal to I. After getting that identity permutation, then don't go to sigma power 7. Okay, if you go to the sigma power 7, again you will get that sigma value only. Okay, why? Because sigma power 7 is equal to sigma power 6 into sigma. What is the sigma power 6? Capital I into sigma. Again you will get sigma. Or if you go to sigma power 8, okay, so sigma power 7 into sigma. What is the sigma power 7? Sigma into sigma. Again you will get the sigma square. That means sigma power 7 gives the sigma value and sigma power 8 will give the sigma square value. That means the same previous permutation what we have find sigma square, sigma cube, sigma power 4, those permutations only again will repeat. Okay, so therefore we have to terminate the process up to after getting that the identity permutation. Now the value of 2000 sigma power 2014 can be obtained as, okay, so sigma power 2010 into sigma power 4. How you can write that value? First of all, that given number 2014 you have to divide with the 6. Okay, 6 ones are 6 threes are 18 and 2 is there, and 6 threes are again 18. Okay, and 3 is there. 6 fives are 30. Okay, so 4 is the remainder. 3 up to 335, 2010 got cancelled. Okay, so again 4 is the remainder. So therefore, whenever 2014 divided by 6, remainder is equal to 4. So therefore, 3 power 35 is the multiplier value and 4 is the remainder. So therefore, you can write 2014 as, okay, 6 into 335. Okay, so into 4. So in this format, you will get the value. So you can apply the sigma. Okay, sigma power and sigma power. Sigma power 2014 is equal to sigma power 6 into 335 into sigma power 4. Then you can separate that value, sigma power 6 into 3 power 35. Okay, into sigma power 4. And you know very well, here you can see here, sigma power 6 value is the capital I power 335 and sigma power 4, and I into something, identity value into something, again you will get the something only. So therefore 2000 sigma power 2014 is equal to sigma power 4. Already we find that value of the sigma power 4. Write down the sigma power 4 value here. That is the 2014 value of the sigma. So therefore, sigma power 2014 is equal to sigma power 4. In this format, you have to find out the any value of the powers of the sigma. Sigma power 2000. For example, in the examination, if they ask sigma power 2020, okay. Again, same here. If you get the sigma power 6 is equal to I, then what is the value? So you have to divide 2020 by 6. 6 ones are 6 threes are 18. Okay. Again 6 threes are 18. And again 6 threes are 18. So in this format, the remaining value you have to take it as a remainder. That remainder you have to apply the sigma. So therefore, in this format we have to find out the any value 2012, 14, 22, 20 or 1947, whatever it may be. You have to follow the same procedure until you get the identity permutation. Once after getting the identity permutation, you have to take the multiplication process and apply the identity permutation. Then you will get the required permutation value of the given highest power. Okay, I hope you understood this problem very well. In the next lecture, we are coming with another problem. Okay, so make a perfect practice and prepare well. So until bye, thank you.